Hi, this is LexsaMarie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome squad, welcome squad. But if you are returning, hey guys, as some of you may know, I am back in college and you see my background, you know, I'm in my dorm right now, but that's not gonna stop your girl, that's not gonna stop me from giving out content, okay? If you haven't already, make sure that you turn on the post notifications and that you like this video. Also, for my newbies, make sure that you subscribe and check out my other wig reviews to see, you know, what I'm about, you feel me? But today I'm going to be talking about the wig that's on my head. This is Trissa by Sensational, and it's an Empress wig, 100% synthetic fiber, premium fiber, all that good stuff. You can see it looks like virgin hair. However, it's synthetic. It's a synthetic. I'm bringing you another synthetic wig on my channel, okay? It is about like 24 inches. I don't know measurements. It's like 24 inches, I think, and it's in the color number 2. I will be going into more detail in this video, so if you want to hear more about this hair, please continue watching this video. And yeah, so this is the wig. I don't know if you can see. It is Empress. Let me adjust. So it is Empress by Sensational. It's 100% premium fiber and it has a lace front edge. So hopefully it will look natural. This is in the color number 2 and the curls are supposed to look like this. I believe it has a deep center part as well, but let me see how it looks. Okay, these are the other colors that it comes in, like burgundy, ooh, 99J, jade, lavender, 613. It has a whole bunch of colors. So you can see the curls. Ooh, this is very nice. This is very nice. I can already tell I don't like the parting just by looking at it. You see? No. So what I'm gonna do is pluck the center part off camera and a little bit of the front, and then I'm just gonna try to make it look as natural as possible. But just for the sake of it, I'll show you how it looks without it plucked. So I can see in the wig it has 2 combs in the front, and then it has 1 comb in the back. So as you guys know already, I only like to use the back comb, but I'm gonna see how it just looks straight out the pack. So I love the curls on this already. I don't even want to touch them, but you can see this parting is atrocious. You can see it in the front. So I'm gonna quickly bless it and hopefully I look crazy, and hopefully it'll come out better than how it's looking now. So right now I'm just getting my baby hairs ready, and I have a really weird process, so I'm just doing it randomly. So when I lay it down, it doesn't look manufactured, like manufactured baby hairs. So right now I'm just taking my Got to Be Glued styling glue, and I'm just taking, look, that much. I barely use anything, and then I'm just gonna tease the hair and take out the ones that I cut. And sometimes I get a long hair in there, but I'll just try to tease it out. Alright, so I'm not 100% done with these baby hairs. Like, I really do take my time with them. But I don't want a lot for this wig because I'm looking at it right now, and this wig does not need anything crazy, like, whatsoever. And y'all see why I didn't do that much baby hairs. One second. Ladies, I didn't even comb it yet. I didn't even comb the wig yet. Oh, I'm feeling cute. I'm feeling cute right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. So I'm just gonna not brush it, but like lightly go through it to see if there's tangling. Cause you see like right here, there's a little bit of tangling. So I'm just gonna go through it with my fingers for a little bit, and then maybe with like a brush just to see how the curls look. But oh my God, so nice, so nice. Oh my God. Wow. All right, I will be right back. Okay. All right. So this wig, again, is in the color number 2. Let me show you up close. See that? This wig is, it's a good density. It's a good density. If you had the inner wig, it is 3 times better. Like the inner wig was very thin. This feels like it has a lot more volume. And the construction of the cap, it is good for a large head girl. But they are adjustable. I think I have it on like probably the tightest one because I didn't feel like changing it. But it's snug. It's not going anywhere. These curls, I can't get over them. I keep putting my fingers through them and I'm experiencing some tangling. I am, but for like $30, shoot, this can tangle all at once. I'm gonna just buy another one. But I like how it looks on me. I might flatten the top just so it looks a little bit more natural. But then again, I kind of like it bumped. I kind of like it bumped. But this is how the wig looks. It's fairly long. It comes to like bra strap length. Like, no, actually it comes to my waist. But girl, this is cute. If you are interested in getting that like virgin, you know, virgin body wave hair type look, you can do this for $30. Like, I'm bringing you guys gems. I'm bringing you guys gems, okay? This looks like I got a closure with 3 bundles. But it's a wig. It's a wig. It's a wig. It's a wig. Like, it's a whole wig. So let me just go through the pros. So the pros would probably be the texture of the hair, the length, and the curl pattern. I don't know how long this is gonna last me, so I guess the cons right now would be tangling. Kind of scaring me right now just because it's just coming out the pack and it's tangling. But because of the price, I wouldn't mind buying this wig again. It is very cute. I like wigs that I can just throw on and go, you know, grab groceries, go to class, do whatever. But I'd probably rate this wig an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. I look cute in it though, so probably like 8.5. Yeah, I'd probably do an 8.5. And I wish the wig was a little bit more natural in the part. The wig that I reviewed not too long ago, the Model 204, that's probably one of the most natural parts I've ever seen. I had to do a little bit of manipulation, but it's not that bad. But yes, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you buy this wig, because I definitely recommend this wig. If you are okay with a little bit of tangling every now and then and you don't mind buying another one, then I would definitely say yes, get it. But if you want a little wig that will last you a little bit longer, I would say just really invest in some good bundles, because with synthetic wigs, they're not gonna last a lifetime. So this, I would recommend. I recommend 8.5. I love it, and I'm gonna wear it to class right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you like this video and you subscribe to my channel. I will be posting content all the time. All the time. All the time. All the time. Okay? All the time. Let me know what wigs you want to see me review in the comment section down below. If you want me to talk about something else, please let me know. I will be updating my first like curly hair wig soon, because I have a lot of tea on that wig. I'll put the link over here and you guys can check out my review then, my first Amazon wig. And yeah, so I'm just gonna model for you real quick as my outro, you know.
Hey,